we live in one universe right now, and these numbers are not matching. They should match. It could be that there's something missing in our model, our standard model that has the dark energy and dark matter we've been talking about, and that there's another physical something that we have not yet discovered, and this might point to that.
The James Webb Space Telescope has been peering deep into the cosmos, revealing galaxies from the early universe with unprecedented detail. But the more scientists look, the less the universe seems to make sense. The telescope has uncovered something so bizarre, so completely unexpected, that it's forcing scientists to reconsider everything they thought they knew about the cosmos. The discovery, a massive ancient galaxy, one that simply shouldn't exist, not according to the laws of physics as they currently stand. This galaxy, nicknamed the Big Wheel, is over 12 billion light-years away. That means the light from it has been traveling for more than 12 billion years, meaning we're seeing it as it was when the universe was only a fraction of its current age. And yet, despite existing so early in cosmic history, it looks just like the massive spiral galaxies we see today. It's structured, it's rotating, it's fully formed. That should be impossible. According to the standard model of cosmology, galaxies in this era of the universe should be small, chaotic, and still in the process of forming. They should look nothing like the massive, mature galaxies we see today. But the James Webb Telescope keeps finding more and more of these early galaxies that appear way too advanced for their age. So what's going on here? Is it possible that our understanding of how the universe evolved is flawed? Could it be that galaxies formed much faster than we ever thought possible? Or is there something far more fundamental at play? Something that challenges the very foundations of physics itself? Perhaps our measurements of cosmic time are somehow distorted, making these galaxies appear older than they actually are. Maybe the physics governing the early universe operated under entirely different rules that remain undiscovered. If that's the case, then many of our assumptions about the cosmos could be fundamentally flawed. Dark matter and dark energy, two of the most mysterious forces in physics, may also need to be reinterpreted. If the universe isn't behaving as expected, there could be an even deeper hidden force shaping its evolution in ways that challenge everything known about space and time. The deeper astronomers look, the stranger things become. The James Webb Telescope hasn't just revealed oddly mature galaxies, it has also raised serious doubts about dark energy, the mysterious force that scientists believe is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. For decades, dark energy has been accepted as a key component of our universe, an invisible force that makes up nearly 70% of all cosmic energy. But here's the problem. The new data from James Webb suggests that the expansion of the universe might not be happening the way scientists originally thought. The way we measure distances in space might be completely off, and if our measurements are flawed, then the entire concept of dark energy could be in jeopardy. This means that everything built upon the idea of dark energy, including calculations about the fate of the universe, might need to be reconsidered. If the rate of expansion is different than expected, then theories predicting how the cosmos will evolve billions of years from now could be fundamentally wrong. The structure of space-time itself might hold secrets that have yet to be uncovered, possibly pointing to an entirely new force of nature. If the universe isn't expanding as thought, then what's really driving the motion of galaxies across the cosmos? Could it be that an undiscovered phenomenon, something even more profound than dark energy, is at work? But it gets even weirder. James Webb has also uncovered a mystery about the way galaxies rotate, something that could suggest the entire universe has a preferred direction. Now, this might not sound like a big deal at first, but think about it for a moment. If the universe was born from a random explosion, the Big Bang, then there should be no particular order to how galaxies spin. Some should rotate one way, and some should rotate the other, in roughly equal numbers. But that's not what James Webb has found. Instead, it turns out that 2/3 of galaxies rotate in the same direction, while only 1/3 spin the opposite way. That is not random. That suggests there is some kind of cosmic pattern, something influencing the entire universe at a fundamental level. Now, this is where things take an absolutely mind-bending turn. Some scientists now believe that this strange rotation pattern could be evidence that our universe was born inside a black hole. Yes, you heard that right. According to Schwarzschild cosmology, also known as black hole cosmology, the entire observable universe, the one we live in, with its billions of galaxies, stars, and planets, could actually be the interior of a massive black hole that exists inside a larger parent universe. If this is true, then everything ever observed, every planet, every star, every galaxy, exists within the event horizon of an unimaginably massive black hole. This would mean that the laws of physics as we know them might just be local rules, unique to the inside of our cosmic black hole, while the true nature of reality lies beyond what we can ever perceive. Even more astonishing, this theory suggests that black holes within our universe could be gateways to other baby universes, each forming its own separate reality. If every black hole births a new universe, then the multiverse, an infinite web of interconnected cosmoses, could be more than just science fiction. The very fabric of existence might be far more complex than anyone ever imagined, with universes nested within universes, stretching endlessly through an unfathomable cosmic hierarchy. If that's true, then black holes in our universe might not just be collapsed stars, they might be gateways to entirely new universes. Every time a black hole forms, it could be creating a new cosmos on the other side of its event horizon, a completely separate reality, hidden from view. Imagine this, a never-ending chain of universes, each one giving birth to the next through the formation of black holes. If this is the case, then our universe itself might be just one of an infinite number of baby universes created in this endless cycle of cosmic birth and rebirth. And this is where things get really interesting. Instead of matter getting crushed into oblivion, some scientists think that the intense gravitational forces inside a black hole could actually trigger the birth of a new universe. Imagine it like a cosmic recycling system. When a black hole forms, instead of everything vanishing into a singularity, the matter inside might rebound and expand, creating an entirely new space-time on the other side. In other words, what looks like the end of the road from the outside might actually be the beginning of something brand new on the inside. And if that's the case, then our own universe might not be the first of its kind. It could just be one link in an endless chain of universes, each born from the black holes of the one before it. According to Nikodem Poplawski, a theoretical physicist at the University of New Haven, black holes don't actually collapse into singularities. Instead, as matter falls inward, it bounces back outward, expanding into a new universe. This would explain why our own universe appears to have started with a massive, sudden expansion, what we call the Big Bang. What if, instead of the Big Bang being the beginning of everything, it was simply the birth of our universe inside a black hole? But here's the part that might explain the mysterious galaxy rotations observed by James Webb. If our universe was born inside a spinning black hole, then it would inherit that spin from its parent universe. And this inherited rotation could explain why so many galaxies appear to be spinning in the same direction. Instead of the universe being a completely random explosion of energy, it might have been born with a built-in rotation, passed down from the black hole that created it. This idea suggests that our universe could be just a tiny bubble within a much larger, unseen reality. If black holes create new universes, then beyond our own could exist an even greater expanse, shaped by forces far beyond our understanding. What we see as the vastness of space might be just a small part of something far more immense. For now, these ideas remain speculative, but the James Webb Space Telescope has opened up a door to questions that challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. The standard model of cosmology, the one that has been accepted for decades, is being pushed to its limits. If galaxies formed too fast, if dark energy isn't behaving the way it should, if the universe has a preferred direction, and if black holes might be giving birth to entirely new realities, then we might be on the edge of a scientific revolution unlike anything before. And this is only the beginning. The data from James Webb is still coming in, and every new discovery seems to raise more questions than answers. Are we living in a black hole? Are there infinite universes connected by these cosmic gateways? There's no telling what else the James Webb Space Telescope might uncover in the coming years. But one thing is for sure, whatever the truth is, it's going to be far stranger than anything we ever imagined. So what do you think? Are we trapped inside a black hole? Could the Big Bang have just been the beginning of a much larger story? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the biggest mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching.